To use screen recorder on Realme Note 60, first we'll need to swipe our finger from top of the screen. Then we can swipe down again and now look for the screen recorder icon. If you can't find it, then click on the three dots in the top right corner and move to edit. Then on the bottom right here, you should be able to find a screen recorder. Click on the plus button to bring it to your quick access. Now when we go back and click on that screen recorder that we just added, we can manage options like record audio that you can enable or disable and change the source which it should record. And you can choose your device audio, microphone, or a device audio and microphone at the same time. Then you can enable to show on-screen touches. That means it will record exactly where you pressed your finger and it will mark it on that video. Now we can click on the start and here you will see a countdown. When it stops and you hear that notification, your screen recorder is now recording. So we can move around. You can see that mark that I talked about. And now to stop that recording, we need to swipe our finger from top of the screen again and click on the stop. And our screen recording is saved. You can click on this notification to open it and preview it.